Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best rosin press plates is probably one of the most exciting tools for anyone interested in extracting their own concentrates. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, the world of rosin pressing can seem a bit daunting. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the best rosin press plates on the market, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect setup to elevate your extraction game. Number 5. 2x4-inch pre-press mold, food-grade aluminum. This pre-press mold utilizes hard anodizing technology. The surface is a bit darker but much more durable. You will never get stuck during usage. This 2x4 pre-press mold is designed to create rectangle pucks. It is best paired with a 2x4 or 2x4.5 filter bag. The entire pre-press mold is made of high-quality 6061 aluminum. It's processed by a CNC machine, ensuring a beautiful appearance and environmental friendliness. This mold creates 7-14G pucks, which is perfect for 3x5 plate kits. It is a popular size for many users. We offer a 100% product guarantee. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time. We are here to help. What we like. This mold's hard anodizing technology ensures it never gets stuck, making your pressing process smooth and efficient. It creates a perfect rectangle puck, ideal for 2x4 or 2x4.5-inch filter bags. If you are looking for a reliable and high-quality pre-press mold that simplifies your workflow, this is the one to consider. What people say. Works perfect with the 2x4 press bags. You can try 37 micron for some very clean bubble hash, maybe double M up for super fine filter, or up to 90 micron or 120 even with your flowers. All for different specific desired outcomes. The finish on it seems like a gray anodize, so much nicer than a raw aluminum finish you've seen on these, which gets destroyed quick. Definitely well done finish, and holding it, it's definitely solid and has a fit to match the nice finish. Sturdy and can handle the heat and the press. Number 4. Golden 4x7 Aluminum Heat Press Plates Kit. This kit is designed for industrial use, featuring a hydraulic heat extractor. It's built for efficiency and durability, making it ideal for various applications. The plates offer double-sided heating, ensuring even heat distribution. This feature enhances the transfer and sublimation process on flat surfaces. The plates are 4x7 with a 30 mm thickness. The top plate inner diameter is 55 mm, and the height is 50 mm. The kit operates on 110V with a total power of 600 W. Made with food-grade 6061 aluminum, the plates are light yet strong. They offer excellent heat transfer, ensuring optimal performance for your projects. The kit heats up quickly with 4 150W heating rods and separate temperature sensors. The heating rods are designed for long-lasting use, providing reliable performance. Installation is easy, simply mount the plates to your press and tighten the screws. This user-friendly design allows you to start your projects quickly. This kit is perfect for transferring designs onto textiles, t-shirts, mouse pads, and more. It's a versatile tool for various creative projects. What we like. This kit features double-sided heating, ensuring even heat distribution for optimal results. Its quick heating capabilities, powered by multiple heating rods, save you time. If you need a versatile and efficient solution for heat transfer and sublimation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easily adapted to my bench press. Get a 20-ton hydraulic press and voila, you have a 3K press. Number 3. Yes, 4 all 1-inch grip weight plates. These weight plates are made from high-quality cast iron, ensuring they will last. They are designed for long-lasting use and are perfect for building strength and muscle. The plates feature a 1-inch hole, making them suitable for standard weightlifting bars. This design makes it easy to load and unload the weights during your workouts. The unique 3-handle design enhances handling. The grips provide versatility, making them suitable for various exercises, reducing slippage. Available in sizes from 2.5 pounds to 35 pounds, it provides options for all fitness levels. This range allows for personalized strength training and progression over time. These plates are suitable for weightlifting, muscle building, and strength training. They fit 1-inch standard bars, enhancing any workout routine. They come in pairs or sets of 4, providing balanced weight distribution and flexibility. These options are suitable for adjusting workout intensity and customizing your training routine. What we like. These weight plates are built to last, thanks to their durable cast iron construction. The 3-handle design makes them easy to grip and handle during workouts. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable option for strength training and muscle toning, this is a great choice. What people say. The plates heat up quickly. The plates are easy to clean. The plates are well built. Number 2. 2x4-inch pre-press mold. This pre-press mold is made of food-grade anodized aluminum. It's designed to help you get the most out of your rosin extraction process. This is a must-have tool for any rosin enthusiast. This mold is perfect for use with 2-inch width filter bags. Using this combination will help you achieve the best results. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your yield. The mold compresses your material into a perfect puck shape. This allows for even distribution during the pressing process. It ensures you get the most out of every press. By using this mold, you'll see an increase in your yield. It helps to compress the material efficiently. This means more rosin for you to enjoy. If you're serious about rosin, this is a must-have. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference. Get yours today and experience the difference. The mold is constructed from durable aluminum. This ensures it can withstand repeated use. It's a long-lasting investment for your rosin setup. What we like. This pre-press mold is designed to increase your yield, maximizing the amount of rosin you extract. It's a must-have for any rosin enthusiast looking to optimize their process. If you want to get the most out of your material, this is the perfect addition to your setup. What people say. The plates heat up quickly and maintain a consistent temperature. The build quality is excellent, and the plates feel very durable. The even heat distribution across the plates ensures efficient rosin extraction. Number 1. TUOPUKE 2x4-inch pre-press mold. This pre-press mold is made of food-grade anodized aluminum. The hard anodizing technology ensures it will never get stuck during the process. Thanks to the smaller gap between the mold and ram, it works smoothly. This design ensures the whole process is efficient and reliable. This mold creates a perfect rectangle puck. It is designed to be paired with 2x4 or 2x4.5 filter bags. Made from high-quality 6061 aluminum and processed by CNC machine. It has a beautiful appearance and is environmentally friendly. It creates 7-14G pucks, which is perfect for 3x5 plate kits. This size is popular and widely used. We offer a 100% product guarantee. If you have any problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time. We are here to help. What we like. This mold's hard anodizing technology ensures it never gets stuck, making your pressing process smooth and efficient. It creates a perfect rectangle puck, ideal for 2x4 or 2x4.5-inch filter bags. If you are looking for a reliable and high-quality pre-press mold that simplifies your workflow, this is the one to consider. What people say. The plates heat up quickly and maintain a consistent temperature. The build quality is excellent, and the plates feel very durable. The design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.